I'm not too far away from the land. Your birthday is the right chance to make stupid decisions. Reet, when you have to buy engagement ring, you know where you have to come? यहाँ पे खोदा है, यहाँ पर खोदा है. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to an episode of Hustle with Sar, where you and I we hustle together. It's 6 in the morning. I've just woken up and my face is super puffy, and unfortunately so many big pimples have come because I'm major PMS. I'm in major PMS right now. Like, it's hitting me in waves. My mood swings are bad. My headaches are bad and my skin is bad. But I'm excited because right now I'm getting dressed because मेरा birthday photo shoot हो रहा है. This is the first time I'm doing a birthday photo shoot before my actual birthday. I never get these done. I've seen a lot of creators do birthday themed photo shoots, you know, balloons लगा के, मतलब एकदम मस्त ऐसे तैयार होके फोटो शूट करवा लेते हैं, फिर बर्थडे के दिन फोटोज डालते हैं. मैंने ऐसा कभी कुछ नहीं करा है बिकॉज मेरे बर्थडे पे ही मैं अच्छे से तैयार होती हूँ and I take my pictures and I post it. I've always kept it real time like that. But this time I decided to do it because I was going to travel on my birthday and we had a birthday trip planned for me. Unfortunately, अगर आपने last vlog देखा है, you know वो trip cancel हो चुका है because of my nephew's passport not getting renewed on time. So unfortunately I'm not traveling anymore, but I'm still excited for the shoot. अभी घंटी बजी है इतनी जल्दी सुबह because my hairstylist has come. I even got a hair spa done last night, did my nails. The theme of the photo shoot is really fun. It's not like anything I've ever seen anyone do. It's very like different because we're trying to do it more in the coffee CEO but sexy CEO birthday energy. Hi, good morning. Hello. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. This is my alarm. This is my third alarm. Sit. I'll turn on the AC. I'll dunk my face in ice and come because I'm having a lot of breakfast.
Where should I do my setup?
So here she set up the jewelry and stuff. I also want to set up makeup because 8 o'clock they start. So
Okay.
I'll do it time. See, I have to touch my hair and see it's soft.
Yeah, that's
चलेगा
okay.
ना?
Yeah, don't worry
ओके.
about that.
बहुत ज़्यादा तैयारी हुई है इस फोटोशूट के लिए. यू कैन सी मेरा वाइट बैकड्रॉप भी निकाल रखा है एंड पूरा रोल आउट करेंगे बिकॉज मोस्टली अगेंस्ट द बैकड्रॉप वी आर शूटिंग. आई एम गोना डंक माय फेस इन आइस जस्ट टू रिमूव द इन्फ्लेमेशन एंड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम माय फेस. आई जस्ट होप ये सब दिखे नहीं फोटोज में. Let's get with makeup and hair. Amount of prep we've done for the shoot. These are all the outfits. Look at the fur coats. I'm so excited. It's all vegan fur coats. Please, it's not real fur coats. ये कल ही मेरा सवाना का पार्सल आया है. कल ही मैंने ये और वो पीछे वाला कल आया. और मैंने सारे मेरे ट्रिप के लिए I was going to go on a birthday trip and I had to cancel it yesterday. And my brain is jet lagged this whole week in 9 to 5.
Yeah, very nice.
These small hairs, I think, will be a problem on set. Yeah, these all like what's falling now.
उधर देख उसको.
Guys, this is the makeup. I'm very happy with the makeup. It looks so good. And this is the hair. It's like a dramatic roller situation. So we are creating scenarios. Our mood board, I told you, is very hatke mood board. And Fudge is very active right now क्योंकि इतनी सुबह इतने लोग आ गए घर पे. Fudge is like क्या हो रहा है, ये पेपर निकल गया है और लोग भी आ गए. बहुत 6 बजे मैं उठी तो he was looking at me like तेरा रोज का रोज नया टाइम होता जा रहा है. Yes. Satyam is there, बाबू. Satyam. He's removing stand. See, Satyam only. Sharon and Satyam. Mummy has given me her bracelet. This is my mom's bracelet. So many people were like, oh, you got a new one. I was like, bro, 2 लिए थे. एक गया एक है. So this is the hair that Dinkle has done and now she's gonna keep changing it. So the first look is only this so that अच्छे से मेरे बालों में volume आ जाएंगे and then she can open it and do 90s blowout and lots of things we are gonna do. So it's fun. That's why I'm very excited for today's shoot. मेरे birthday का कुछ excitement नहीं, यही shoot में ही अभी सब निकालना है हमको excitement. I'm very happy with how the first look went. Like exactly the lighting and the whole like.
I love the whole mood board only. I was just
Yes.
so happy with it.
Yes,
It was just
this is all Sharon's mood boarding. I told her this year we want to do a lot of like creative photo shoots because we don't do a lot of photos. हम इतना video करते हैं. Like my content is more raw, real, authentic. तो वो raw, real के चक्कर में हम कुछ भी high fashion करते ही नहीं हैं. And I used to do once upon a time, but all Indian looks, like only sari. Then like once Sharon came, I've done a lot of sari, but we've not done like high fashion photo shoots and all. And I was like, I want to really do that more this year. Like build a portfolio of pictures. Really good pictures and अभी pictures की value भी बढ़ गई है वापस. At least मेरे लिए तो है because Impulse Coffees में we need it for ads and creatives and इस शक्ल से coffee खरीदते हैं लोग तो.
And also this mood board, they're so excited. It was so different than Impulse because otherwise it's just product.
Yeah, which is why I told like एक ऐसा photo shoot जहाँ I am
The
different
focus, you're
and
different,
product is just there.
There.
So like we'll just throw around the sachets a little, like put the jar. It's not the main thing. Now the sachets are only our main focus, so we're not launching anything soon. Although I want to. I'm very happy with the shoot. Mashallah, mashallah.
Yeah.
It's all looking good. Exactly how we planned it.
And yesterday हम लोगों को quote आया भी नहीं था, but God was
Yeah,
with us.
God is with us, truly. These coats I ordered on Savannah and इसका estimated delivery time 24th का था. आज क्या date है?
20. Really?
Yeah, 24th का था जब मैं खरीद रही थी. I just winged it. I was like, ठीक है, मंगाती हूँ. That's why I knew that white वाला was in fast delivery. So I was like, backup. We had that one which came जिस दिन मम्मी ने मुझे surprise किया.
A few moments later.
You have to make me small and manipulate the full
You
photo.
will look normal, the bottle will look large.
हाँ, but anyways they'll have to still make
थोड़ा
me a
बहुत-
little छोटा.
हाँ.
हाँ, resize the image. तुम लोग मेरे को exact position बोलो.
हाँ, perfectly.
Planning to cut the extensions. Should we cut the extensions?
Photo say yes.
Like itna. ये part we'll keep.
You're fine no with that.
कितना you're saying?
This much.
हाँ, okay. It needs to give chic and it's giving very desi.
Yeah.
Cannes Film Festival में भी बहुत लंबे थे. मतलब ये same
But अपने
extension.
वो लंबा ले लिए थे इनके ऐसे शॉर्ट करने के लिए.
हाँ, I know, but अभी it's like non-usable only.
Length is good. इतना it will come no, which is fine.
Yeah, till here, and then it opens.
Opens up no, yeah. This is so good.
और चाहिए क्या लाइट वो पूछ रहा था.
नहीं
This is
नहीं,
fine.
ये मस्त लग रहा
Style
है.
तो रखो.
This is also profile photo. वो देखो. तू लाइटिंग से खुश है?
हाँ हाँ.
हाँ, ठीक है. तुम लोग सेट से
अभी
खुश
जैसे
हो?
फ्लैट हो
Yeah.
तो लाइटिंग में
हाँ.
ज्यादा कुछ कर नहीं सकते.
ठीक.
Set is good. Only वो stand आ रहा है वो आपने बोला कि निकल जाएगा.
But you like my fur coat to sleepy में? You like it to sleepy में? बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है. Sunny?
Sarcasm.
Good job.
Yeah, the blowing is really
This
yeah.
is so good. क्या sarcasm?
लगा है.
नहीं, अभी I'm way past. I'm borderline hangry right now. So you better.
Yeah, this is looking very nice.
Very nice.
You can hold one on the hand also. केक हाथ में पकड़ के भी कर सकते हैं.
ये मिल गया सेट. खुश? ठीक है.
थोड़ा सा टर्न टुवर्ड्स. हाँ. ये लाइट के साथ ही करना है.
उसे प्रोडक्ट नहीं दिख रहा. सॉफ्ट लाइट लगेगी इसमें.
Yeah, थोड़ा.
मैं बहुत लंबी हूँ वो पोज देने के लिए. मैं धरती से बहुत ऊपर देख रही हूँ. वो धरती.
But knee if you do knee और लंबा लगेगा ना. If you stand on your knee, then you're all the more taller. Then what?
Yeah, because see now how far away I am.
I think she's sitting like this.
Better.
को नहीं दिख रहा. Yeah, this is better.
Even lighting is better. I'll sit like this, like in a prayer position.
ठीक है,
So I'm
चलो.
comfortable and I can sit for longer.
ठीक है.
And I'm not too far away from the land because I'm tall now.
चलेगा.
So क्या हंस रही है हम लोग का रोज का. Yes,
Done?
Photos के लिए we are done. Good to go ना?
Yeah, very nice.
Yes.
So nice.
Amazing. Thanks, Sunny. मजा आ गया. बोलो.
रिमेनिंग इमेजेस है ना, उसमें नंबर्स मुझे भेज देना तो आई सिलेक्ट यहाँ से. अभी आई जस्ट कॉपी.
मतलब अभी तो तू पहले रॉ डंप दे.
स्टार्ट का जो फर्स्ट पोर्शन था ना इमेजेस का, फर्स्ट आउटफिट का, तो वो उन्होंने सिलेक्ट कर लिया है. ठीक है. अभी जो नहीं किया ना हमने,
हाँ.
उसके नंबर्स मुझे भेज देना.
Okay.
1 hour later.
क्या कर रहे हो? Oh my God. क्या कर रहा है? क्या हुआ? हुआ क्या? लेकिन 2 मिनट मैं किचन में अपना खाना गरम कर रही हूँ और इधर इन लोग टग ऑफ वॉर खेल रहे हैं. What was the problem? ये बैंड हो गया है उधर. सो अभी भी वापस हो सकती है ये चीज. जस्ट हीटिंग माई फूड. मैंने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया है. अभी मुझे चक्कर आ रही है. मम्मी ने कल रात का चिकन है गुड. फ्रैंकी भेजी थी. इतना मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था फ्रैंकी में. तो अभी सेट पे तो आई बॉट साउथ इंडियन फॉर एवरीवन. तो देयर वाज इडली चटनी बचा हुआ है बट आई डोंट ईट अर्ली मॉर्निंग. मैंने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया ना तो आई कांट ईट कार्ब्स डायरेक्टली. आई ईट अ लिटिल प्रोटीन फर्स्ट.
Many hours later.
Guys, done with the shoot, got done with office work, and Reet and I have come down. We're going to off-duty India because Reet is buying me pants. After my pant tour at the concert, he's like, you need new pants. So he's bought me to buy pants. Olive green.
It's an uncommon color, but yeah, if you want to.
It will go with white. I like the seamless waist. I don't know if these are going to fit me. Matlab, he's going to fetch for sizes in the back and like come. Basically, I'm just picking out stuff. I'm at my max bloat right now though. I think this is going to be super comfy. है ना? With the baggy finish.
Has a belt, so.
Yeah. ये 36 है. सब 36 है.
एक बार तुम ट्राई कर लो.
ठीक है. ये दोनों ट्राई करूँ. ये नहीं ट्राई करूँ. ट्राई करती हूँ मैं. चढ़ा नहीं तो डन.
The next day.
Good morning guys. I've woken up a little late today क्योंकि कल के शूट ने of course बहुत ज़्यादा थका दिया था. But it was such a good shoot. The output looks amazing. Photos already edit भी होके आ गए. So quick work has been done. Told you it's a birthday shoot. तो हम इसलिए shoot कर रहे थे क्योंकि I was not going to be there in Mumbai for my birthday and I don't like to post when I'm traveling during my travel. So I thought कि ये photos मैं डालूंगी and then जब मैं travel करके आ जाऊंगी फिर मैं travel के photos डालूंगी और actual birthday के pictures डालूंगी. But अभी I don't know what I'm actually doing on my birthday because my trip is cancelled. But the photos will still be used for Impulse's founders birthday sale. So it's a useful photo shoot nonetheless, and what we really enjoyed is the creativity. Today's day is more outdoors. We are going to L'Oreal's office. There's like this discussion with creators. L'Oreal does this a lot where they call creators to their office to basically opine on their new launches जो आने वाले होते हैं. So we have a very candid discussion. We get to see the products before they hit the market, or if they are just going to hit the US market, we get to see them first and just tell them how we feel about it. Like, is it going to work in India? Is it not? Which are the shades that should come? So it's something very good activity actually because L'Oreal is a global brand, right? And when I say L'Oreal, matlab it includes Maybelline, everything. So I think आज का discussion Maybelline पे I've gone to a lot of these and I really enjoy them. I love product development, you know, that's why in Impulse also my main job is product development. तो जब मुझे products पे बताने को कुछ मिलता है input, I love it. Mridul is also coming, Shalini is also coming, so I'll get to meet them also. I don't know who else is coming. I just messaged those two in the morning. Are you all coming today? So they are. I was thinking I won't do makeup, but I also want to go to Geo Plaza and pick up a birthday gift because my birthday trip cancel हो गया. So I want to get a birthday gift for myself and I want a good tote bag. Like I think it's time I get a luxury tote bag. I have been avoiding it for very long. I've had my eyes on this one Louis Vuitton bag forever and I've been avoiding it forever because of course how expensive it is. But I think your birthday is the right chance to make stupid decisions. I just asked Sharon that if we have time in the evening because आज मैं office में रहूंगी नहीं. By the time I come back my staff will have left. So my office hours are full day outdoors with L'Oreal today. So it's okay. I will just give everyone things I need done and hopefully they'll do it. And yeah, that's that. I just put a little bit of the Romand lip tint और अभी मैं ये लगा रही हूँ Nuxe का lip oil. It adds that nice oily finish. ये मिलता नहीं इंडिया में. मैं पेरिस से लिया था. But I don't think you should buy it because it makes my lips very dry. Like it's supposed to be a honey lip oil और ये लगाने के बाद lips hydrated लगने चाहिए. But it gives you a nice, this it tastes also very nice and smells also very nice. But उसके बाद मेरे lips ऐसे सूख जाते हैं जैसे कि पता नहीं रेगिस्तान में रह के आए हैं. तो I don't recommend it for that reason. You must have never heard me recommend it. But because I purchased it, I use it. Let's shoot for a brand. Oh, I'm shooting for a brand video right now. Then we'll leave for L'Oreal and then maybe we'll go for birthday shopping to Plaza. I love that Plaza is in India. Like I think I'm their biggest customer. I love going to Plaza and there's Tiffany and there is Bottega. Valentino doesn't have a good tote bag, no?
The founder also came.
Yeah, I know, I saw. Now everyone's become old and is passing away. We are becoming old. That means all we grew up with
We
is
live so much. I don't think we live also so much.
I swear. अभी जो ब्रांड डील्स है उनका शूट करते हैं. बर्थडे ट्रिप तो हो नहीं रहा है मोस्टली. अगर हुआ लास्ट मिनट कहीं चली गई तो आपको तो देखने मिलेगा ही. बट अभी के लिए बर्थडे शॉपिंग आज करेंगे. साबुन तो साबुन होता है. नहीं ये वाला डिफरेंस दिखाता है. मैं बोलूँगी ठीक है.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, I'm leaving like this with no makeup done, and we're taking an Uber and going so that I can do my makeup in the car and do my work on my phone, because it's a working day and I'm heading out, so a lot of communication will be happening with my team. So it's best I don't drive, and also the ETA is 1.5 hours, so there's a lot of traffic. That means Uber wale bhaiya pata nahi kahan chale gaye. The whole narrative, I would say, like even from the brand ambassadors that Maybelline picks, not just in India but even globally, to the commercial videos you all do, and then the briefs that come to us. I think overall, exactly what Muskan said is like it's fun. So the translation to the audience is fun, making it very girl next door. And then the price point in India, I think it's perfect. Millennials on our fitness journey, like ask natural. वो फ्रूट खाने दे रहा है, बहुत बड़ी बात है. मैं यार अंडा उबला हुआ वो मैंने सच्ची में वही खाया है सुबह से.
A few moments later.
Guys, we are in Mridul's car. She's our chauffeur, and Alfia said we'll chill, so we are all going to Palladium, and Shalu's touching up. First birthday shopping purchase is done with the girls.
Thank you.
आपको सूट भी नहीं होगा. हाँ होगा एक्चुअली, या हम तीनों सेम शेड में. ये गिम्बल कहाँ जा रहा है? मेरा लिक्विड वाला नहीं था तो मैंने स्टिक ले लिया.
Oh, nice.
Yes, try the stick foundation. बो जा बोल उन लोगों को बो लगाना. मेरे बर्थडे का गिफ्ट है. मृदुल डजंट वांट टू ड्राइव, तो वो हमारे साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर रही है ताकि
एकदम पीक ट्रैफिक टाइम है अभी.
इसको 2 घंटा दिखा रहा था.
Yeah, same. So even I'm also killing time for that, and I've called my family to Jio Plaza for my birthday shopping now.
Oh, nice.
So we are middle in this
कर
mall.
लेगी आज, मुझे लग रहा है तू
Inshallah, yes. अब मैं मूड में, सुबह से ही मूड में हूँ. आज मेरे को इतना काम नहीं था. I was like, today is the day that I will spend on myself.
Nice.
And with myself. And Shalu is having a migraine, but it's going away.
No, अभी it's gone. शालू इज लिटिल वैसा बिकॉज कल मैं पूरा दिन भर सो रही थी क्योंकि मैं ट्रैवल करके आई थी. मैं 24
Jet lag.
घंटे. हाँ, तो इट वाज हिटिंग मी लाइक अ क्रेजी. पता है आई वाज वेकिंग अप एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, हेलुसिनेशन टाइप का. खा लो सो जाओ. वैसा. सुबह जब आज मैं उठी तो आई वाज फीलिंग माई सेल्फ. आई वाज लाइक ओके नाउ आई नो दिस लाइफ, आई नो माई सेल्फ, आई नो दिस रूम. वैसा.
Guys, it's 8:30 and I'm headed to Jio Plaza now from Palladium. I had such a good time with the girls. We all were just window shopping, gossiping, talking. After so long, I spent some quality time with friends because every day is work day at Impulse, and it was really nice, really soul healing. मजा आ गया. And Maybelline के office में भी बहुत मजा आया. We got to see a new product which is coming out, and it's going to be really. It's on my face right now. It's going to be really nice, very fun, and I think for us it's going to be really nice. The Sara squad is going to love it, so I'm excited about that also. And now I'm going to Jio Plaza. I have full intent of getting the LV on the go tote that I have planned as my birthday gift this year. Every year on my birthday only, it's become a tradition to get a designer bag. I don't know how it got formed. I think it started from the Dior saddle, right? ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि birthday है इसीलिए लेना है, but एक साल का एक I take. Last year I took 2 because it was also Cannes Film Festival. So this year I'm like, okay, a little treat to myself. I was confused between getting my diamond tennis bracelet back or getting a designer bag. But I was like, even if I get the tennis bracelet back, sometimes I wear मम्मी का bracelet and मुझे ना trauma है अब वो bracelet का, तो I keep looking at my hand कि गिर जाएगा. So that trauma will not let me enjoy that gift. So I was like, forget it, I'm not getting that again. I'm going to get a new purchase, and I really do need a structured tote bag because I go to a lot of meetings now, and like I meet people who are actual business people. I need to carry my laptop, a lot of files and stuff, and वो वाले सब मेरे Marc Jacobs के tote bag में नहीं भरे आते. Marc Jacobs का tote bag is good for beach days, holidays, and I've used it now for a good 2.5 years. I have nicely rakhdod it, so I want to buy a more elevated version of a tote bag, and tote bag is a necessity. If I buy a normal ad bag, like today Mridul and I and all 3 of us, we went to Bottega. We were seeing some really nice bags in Bottega also, but it's not a necessity to get a handbag. I have a good amount of handbags, so I really do need a tote bag. So let's think practically for this birthday gift, and my full family is come to Jio Plaza. That is mom, dad and Reeta are already there. I'm coming from Lower Parel, so I'm meeting them at Jio Plaza. उन लोग दूसरी साइड से आए. इधर ही थोड़ा थोड़ा ट्रैफिक है, then I'll be there in 2 minutes. मम्मी लुई विटॉन लेने आई और वैली के लिए कंजूसी कर रही है.
मैं नहीं दे रही हूँ, गाड़ी हमारी है, हमको भरना है पैसे.
नहीं दे दूंगी मैं वैली का, डोंट वरी. चारू is here and Papa is here and Mummy is here and we have reached Neeta Auntie's center.
क्या ली Dior का?
फाउंडेशन स्टिक. मेरा फाउंडेशन खत्म हो गया Dior का. I finished it till the end. Can you believe it? That's how good it is. So it's worth it. Birthday shopping day. I'm so excited. This luxury treat I give myself every year, I truly deserve it. Understood? My parents trying to understand कि लोग इतना खर्चा क्यों करते हैं. लोग being me. Reet, when you have to buy engagement ring, you know where you have to come? इधर पीछे देखो. Yes. पता है निक जोनस ने पूरी दुकान बंद किया था प्रियंका के लिए.
तो मैं निक जोनस हूँ.
से बड़े ख्वाब रखने का होता है. They don't have the size.
So that piece is also sold. So I'm going to show you the size in that.
So you have only one color in that?
Which one?
That
I
piece?
only have one piece, but I can place an order for that one for you.
Okay. Guys, birthday gift secured. Yay, thank you. This one is also nice, just that I won't use it that much. I need a tote bag or a crossbody. I don't want to do these in-betweens. Itne use nahi aayenge. Sure, might as well spending so much, get something you use a lot. I like this also, but ये वाला लूँ instead?
नहीं,
ये बहुत छोटा है.
Same.
This is same LV.
Same ही हो जाएगा.
Mummy, what do you think about my birthday gift? You know, you were with me when I got my first birthday wallet. Yes. And today Burberry. LV हमको मिला है.
So hard, बच्चा. You truly deserve it.
Yes, I do, guys. I wanted the on-the-go tote, but जो size मेरे को चाहिए वो इंडिया और एशिया में है ही नहीं. तो मुझे compromise नहीं करना. हम यूरोप जाएंगे इंशाल्लाह, and then we'll get it from there.
That
Yes.
we'll see about you.
But we'll take it because I really want it to be the
The
ultimate.
purchase of my
Tote bag,
of my
which
year.
yeah,
The
which is
purchase of my
useful,
year,
yeah.
yes.
Because even the size they were offering was very expensive.
A few inches later.
Guys, the birthday gift is secured. मेरे बजट के बहुत अंदर आ गया, guys.
तो मेरे साथ ही होती
वो मैं तुमको बुला ही मैं बैग लेने वाली थी. तो ऐसा होता है कि जब मैं लेने के इरादे में होती हूँ तो मैं तुमको बुला लेती हूँ. तो तुम्हारी किस्मत कितनी अच्छी है कि तुम्हारे पास
मेरी किस्मत की तेरी किस्मत कितनी अच्छी है कि मैं आती हूँ तेरे साथ. माँ मेड इट आती है तेरे
Oh
साथ.
my God. Reet has gone down to take restaurant में टेबल. इधर है एस्केलेटर. भूख लगी है, भूख.
The next morning.
So every year before my birthday, I get myself a birthday bag.
Many hours later.
Okay, it's 3:25. I have just left from home and I am headed to Bandra because Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Setting Powders event is today. I almost missed the DM. मुझे DM बहुत दिनों से आ रहा था non-stop and I completely missed the request. It didn't come on WhatsApp. It just came on Instagram DM and Instagram DM में खो जाते हैं यार. DMs बहुत सारे DMs आते हैं मुझे normally. तो आज सुबह luckily checked my DMs and he had asked for a follow-up that hey, see you today at the event and I was like, oh my God, when did you invite see you today? मतलब what? फिर I had to go back in his history of chats and I was like, oh, I got the invite. It's 22nd January. 3 बजे इवेंट है. 3:30 बजे मैं निकल रही हूँ, but ठीक है, it's fine. It's not uncommon to be fashionably late at fashion and beauty events, so it's all right. And this is a very good time also to go. And plus आज मेरे task list पे इतना कुछ था नहीं, so finished everything at home. Got ready, really glam because it's Huda Beauty. You can't show up without a good face of makeup. And I'm wearing a very hot dress also from Miyake. Self-driving because no plus ones are allowed to the event. And yeah, I'm excited to go and try out the new setting powder because मैंने इतनी अच्छी चीजें सुनी है उसके बारे में. मैं पहुंच के भी नहीं पहुंची हूँ गाइज. उधर वेन्यू है बस, ये टिम हॉर्टन्स वाली बिल्डिंग में. मुझे दिख भी रहे लोग निकलते हुए, बट लुक एट द जैम सिचुएशन ओवर हियर. आई मीन दिस ग्लांजा इज फ्रॉम व्हेन ही इज ट्राइंग टू टेक अ राइट, बट द बाइकर्स आर शविंग इन, पीपल आर वॉकिंग, दिस कार इज पार्क्ड ओवर हियर. आई डोंट इवन नो हाउ ही इज पार्क्ड ओवर हियर. देयर इज अ पुलिस वाला हेल्पिंग देयर. आई थिंक ही इज आल्सो प्रीटी फेड अप. वहां पे खोदा है, यहाँ पर खोदा है, हर जगह खोदा हुआ है. इतनी सी जगह भी क्रॉस नहीं हो पा रही इंसान से. लुक एट द cross-sectional jam, and this is Bandra. Bandra anyways has such small streets, and with this khoda khodi, so it's become horrible now.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, you guys, I went for a setting powder event and pasina hoke aa gayi hu main. Like I went in and came out even faster. This event was in GG Bandra. It's a very, like I've heard very snooty people like go there and very like typical attitude wale log, and uske valet mein to zyada hi attitude tha. Matlab he was just not ready to take my car. So what happened is, I showed you right, it's full khoda hua. दो लोग आए help करने के लिए and they were like आप अपनी गाड़ी इधर ही लगा दो, GG का valet आके इधर से लेगा. And I was not ready to do that. I was not ready to leave the car. But they were like, मैम आप जा ही नहीं सकते. And they were right because दो गाड़ी already अटक गई थी. वो लोग पीछे आ रहे थे और पूरा GG बॉम्बे जिधर है उसका रास्ता भी खोदा हुआ है. Like literally you saw how far I was. Now I went and requested the valet कि मेरी गाड़ी तो लगी है, please भैया जाके ले लो. They were just not even getting up from the chair. They were not even getting up from the chair, and I don't get the car out very easily for events, especially when I'm going alone. But I got the car out because I know that Bandra restaurants have valet. But I have never been to this GG Bombay, और मैंने सुना है कि बहुत बहुत अमीर लोग आते हैं और बहुत एटीट्यूड वाले लोग आते हैं उधर. आज मैंने देख ली कि मतलब वैले में ही इतना एटीट्यूड था भाई, मतलब उठा ही नहीं, वो कुर्सी पे से उठा ही नहीं. फिर इवेंट के अंदर भी जो पीपल हु वर एस्कॉर्टिंग फॉर द इवेंट, शी केम टू हेल्प मी आउट. आई डोंट थिंक शी कुड आल्सो कन्विंस हिम. लाइक ही डिड नॉट, टच से मस नहीं हुआ उधर से. दो वैले लोग के आदमी लोग बैठे हैं वो रेस्टोरेंट के सामने. इफ एनीबॉडी इन द रेस्टोरेंट मैनेजमेंट इज वाचिंग, यू रियली नीड टू चेंज योर वैले एंड योर स्टाफ. लाइक ओ माय गॉड, दे डिडंट गेट अप टू हेल्प अ पर्सन हुज कम for the event. And I am seeing right now also girls are literally arguing with the valet while I exited because my car was illegal parking. I left it in front of a building gate and went. So I was so scared कि कोई टो कर लेगा मेरी गाड़ी, और अभी ऐसे ड्रेस में मैं कहाँ पुलिस स्टेशन के चक्कर लगाऊंगी अगर टो हो गई. तो फटाफट अंदर गई, 2-3 फोटो ली और बाहर आ गई मैं. Like I didn't even enjoy the event. I met Gopali Janvi also. इतना rush में I didn't stand in any of the queues. There were queues everywhere. There were like good experiences. The event was looking really fabulous and very high fashion, glam, everything. But this staff, the valet of this restaurant really had so much attitude I've never seen. Because valet staff is supposed to be helpful. Literally your job is to take the car and park it. And whenever I go to events, I tip so heavily. In fact, I just tipped the Shiva's salon wala because वो बंदे ने मुझे help किया गाड़ी इधर लगाने. And he manned my car. He was like, मैडम आपकी गाड़ी में देख रहा था तो कोई टो नहीं करके गया. I was like, भैया thank you so much. मैंने उसको इतना heavy tip दी अभी. Thank you so much. क्योंकि इंसानियत बची है. वो बंदे ने मेरी गाड़ी देखा तो मतलब पुलिस टो नहीं करके गई और मैं पार्किंग लाइट ऑन छोड़ के गई थी. बट मैं 10 मिनट में इन एंड आउट की इवेंट में. Got the Easy Bake setting powder, looks really good. I'm sure it will perform also well because I did apply it and my under eyes do look really airbrushed. But man, am I irritated at that valet right now. Like, and right now also as I was exiting the event, no, 2 girls were convincing him to go take the car. So ऐसा नहीं है कि I'm the only one getting this treatment. He was just not moving for anybody. And there were 2 of them. And he's like, अगर मैं चला गया तो इधर आएगी कोई गाड़ी तो कौन लेगा. Like bro, तो पार्क करके आएगा ना और फिर कोई और लेगा. That is how valet circulates, right? And there are 2 people. One of you go, one of you stay here. You come back, he'll go. Like I had to explain this to him, and he was still not listening. Just really bad service of the restaurant. Not to blame the brand because Huda Beauty has amazing events organized in some really good places. And every time I've gone for almost all Huda Beauty events, this is just the restaurant. जो मैंने reputation सुनी है ना ये GG बॉम्बे की, बराबर reputation पे ही खेले ये वाले भी. एकदम ही मतलब अलग ही crowd आता है इधर. एक तो है भी इतनी सी गली में. बैंड्रा की गलियां ना सच्ची में अभी लिवेबल नहीं रही. बैंड्रा एक जमाने में ऐसा एस्पिरेशनल हुआ करता था. I used to want to like get a house in Bandra and not anymore. Like every street of Bandra you can only like most of them are one way. Then you can only 2 cars can go. उसमें भी खोद दिया है. तो जहाँ मैं रहती हूँ वो बहुत अच्छा है भाई. As compared to like pay for like Bandra houses are like 10-15 crore for a 2-3 BHK. Crazy man, like really crazy. I'm having impulse coffee. I always have it in the car, the second cup of the day. Anyways, it's 5:15 and I left the event. मैं पहुंची 4:45. 5:15 में बाहर आ गई. फिर भी I think I met quite a lot of people and took pictures, but I didn't do any experiences. Like they had a glam bot inside and they had a couch and a piano and so many other picture and photo opportunities.
82 kilometers later.
Alright guys, I am gonna end this vlog right here on this rant. I am editing the vlog as I see it and I forgot to do an outro for this video. I'm so sorry about that, but I hope you enjoyed watching it. Nonetheless, this is the bag that we've gotten, and safe to say that I already started using it, and वो crossbody है तो वो बहुत use आ रहा है, मतलब रोज के रोज में I'm able to use it. I have also popped this pimple just last night, and I'm already 27 now. It's already like been my birthday. Today is the 31st of Jan that you're watching this video, and मेरा birthday वाला vlog थोड़ा हटके थोड़ा अलग सा होने वाला है, और वो आप लोग Tuesday को देखोगे. I am just letting you know that you might see a little less of me on YouTube. This is like a public service announcement that I am going to reduce my posting days in February at least, because there are some things that are happening that is taking so much of my time and energy, and मुझसे 3 time का upload हो नहीं पा रहा है, तो I don't even want to commit to y'all and not deliver. So I just want to let y'all know that I will mostly be posting only once a week for February, and if that helps me personally, my mental health, my physical health and my personal time, then I might continue that. But if I am able to do 2 times, then I will go to 2 times, but 3 times so I think अब मुझसे नहीं हो पा रहा है guys. I genuinely mean it. Like long format मैंने बहुत कोशिश की sustain करने की, even when everyone has quit long format, I am one creator who's still delivering 3 times a week पागलों जैसा, और अब मुझसे नहीं हो पा रहा है. Like I am burning out a lot, and even on my birthday I was extremely burnt out, and I had a total crash down and burn down, and it wasn't the best. So I have hit my realization that I'm not able to keep up with everything, like impulse and events and, you know, personal things and business and content, and 3 time upload on YouTube is madness, because it's like 40-50 minute videos that I put out, and it takes up a lot of my time. So I am going to do 1 video in February, work on my mental and physical health inshallah, and then we will see if 2 videos are possible, and then I'll do 2. Okay, so just keeping like y'all posted. That 1 video can be any one of the days. It can be Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday और Sunday. I'm not guaranteeing you कि कौन से दिन पे होगा. तो अभी से मैं आप लोग को बता रही हूँ, especially for my regular viewers, because this week also I didn't post the entire week, and this is Saturday that you're watching this. I hope you all can support me in this decision, and thank you so much for all the birthday wishes and so much love, even on the Impulse Coffee's founders birthday sale. The sale performed so well. All of you all loved the offers that we gave. The sales have done really well, and I'm very grateful for the love. Most importantly, on Instagram, YouTube, I was just reading the comments passively even through my birthday. So thank you so much for all the love you'll always show me. I hope you'll can support this decision as well. And I know that it's going to be difficult, because some people y'all watch me so regularly, and I really do appreciate all the consistency that y'all show also, because मैं डालती हूँ content but आप consume भी करते हो regularly, और उसके लिए I'm very grateful. So thank you so much for always just being there as my viewer. I hope you'll understand that I need this time for myself. I'm not going to disappear. I'm just going to post a little less, and then we'll see, okay, how this goes. So I hope you all enjoyed this vlog, and if you liked it, don't forget a big thumbs up. 4 days with the Saska shout out goes to Rekha Bijlani. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part of next year's Saska shout out, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to answer, comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad, and join us part of my next video, Sarah Squad shout out. As always, very soon, and do your bye guys, love you. Mwah.